Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to change quality of the YouTube video. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your YouTube mobile application and you have to open any video you want to change the quality. So let's suppose I want to change the quality of this video, so simply tap on it. Okay, once you will tap on it, you have to click on the three dot icon on the right top. Click on it and here you will see quality option, second option, and here you will see it's automatic, so you have to click on the advanced from here. And here you will see all the qualities. So 1080p is the best quality on the YouTube, so you can click on it to see in the good quality. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.